Holy cow!
Oh, catch him.
Come on!
Get him. Take your time. I'm gonna grab the net. This is a bigger fish. Grab the net, grab the net, grab the net. Good morning, Bennett fishing fans. We're out on beautiful Lake Winnipesaukee. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I got a guest in the boat with me today. We have Fishing with Douglas. He's got a new YouTube channel that's focused on carp, catfish, and salmon, because the salmon runs over there on the New York side of the country. And he's been going for those pretty soon, which I've done a couple times. It's pretty fun. I just don't like shoulder fishing unless it's in my own boat, obviously. So our goal today is to get him on his first lake trout. Let's see if we can do it. It's definitely a different thing from carp fishing, even though I've never caught a carp on purpose. So let's see if I can coach him into catching one properly. I'm gonna point your rod tip towards the front of the boat more. So see that black stick right there? You want your rod tip right underneath that stick. And what we're looking at oh, hold on. Don't move. So stay still. So you have a fish coming up to you right now. You got two fish coming up to you right now. So what I'm gonna tell you to do is, jiggle it just a little bit. Reel. So slow reel, slow reel. Keep reeling, keep reeling. Faster, 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 faster. You got a laker, huh? All right, just keep them pinned. And that reel's complete garbage, guys. I gave him the crappiest reel I have.
Oh,
and then it used to be good, but I caught a laker the other day with it, and the reel almost snapped. So he lost the first one.
That's all right. Really good sign. That was so fast.
Yep, I'm gonna go out to catch one right here.
Yeah.
They should be fired up. We have Hurricane Lee coming in right now. Oh, you little maniac. And it's hard not to swear, so yep, drop it back down. So there's your fish going back down there. We're looking at a LiveScope XR, which I'll record here at some point today. But would that take under 4?
I wasn't even all the way
We weren't even all the way down. So we're fishing in 110 feet, roughly 115, with Bennett Fishing Winnie kit jigs, basically. He's not committed. Oh, he's committed. Oh.
So close.
So probably a minute, only because it takes a minute to sink down there. Now, what a lot of people do is they don't fish with the right profile of bait. I don't care what color it is. I don't care what flavor it tastes like. The profile has to match with finicky lake trout, Lake Winnipesaukee. So you got one coming over, stop. Reel. Reel, 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 reel. You got two chasing you. Reel, keep reeling, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Oh, it's coming over to me.
I felt a nibble. This is so cool. I've never done anything even close to
this. Is definitely weird. So he's chasing you down, so that's you. So reel, reel, reel. Reel, 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 reel. So we want to play that cat and mouse game with him. We want to match his speed as much as possible. So there's like a finite opportunity when that fish sees you, and then you have to act normal. So run, 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 run. Run, run, run. Run, 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 run. He gave up.
Yeah.
And they'll chase you right to the damn surface.
I did get a bite and then drop it back.
All right, so you think you
check the tail on it.
No, that's good.
I've always wanted to catch a laker.
Well, we'll get you one.
Yeah,
so,
yeah. I mean, I've already hooked into one.
So schools of Lakers will come in and out of where we are. So that's you. We got some over there. So these fish are all pre-staged for spawn. So we got a water temp of 68. And when it gets down to around like 45 to 50, they'll actually start their spawning mode where they'll go up shallow. But our season closes before that. So our season closes in the next couple weeks here. All right, so don't snap jig it. Put your hand. Reel. Reel, reel, reel. Go, go, go. That was hot on you too. You can't slack, because once they see you're not acting normal like a bait fish, they'll ignore you. So this one's coming in hot. Oh, why are they so... Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. I'll move out of the way. Keep going, 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 keep going. Keep going, keep going. Ah, see how he stopped? So he's hitting the thermocline, so he doesn't want to be in that warm water. So in theory, the lake is separated right here at that 40-foot mark. All that chase work, folks, and now we go all the way back down. Got him. Like I said, that reel's a piece of crap. I'll give you a better rod to reel here in a minute.
Right.
Let's see if we can double up here.
That would be awesome.
All right, so yeah, back up here so you can get more on the camera.
Yep.
And you can work them like, you know, lift up and then reel down if you want. Yeah, there you go. Oh.
Come on.
Strike two, man. Active fish on the screen that are bouncing and moving around. They're not just stagnant. So stagnant fish are turned off fish, are not hungry. Literally just saw a fish eat another fish.
Yeah.
There we go. Set the hook into him, folks. Not letting this one freaking go. All right, reel up above those. See those fish chasing mine? Go, go, go. Squeak. Little tiny ones. And he's gone. Can't, too small to show the camera, guys. He was not even 18 inches. Don't worry, I got him. That was your fish, by the way.
I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's what I was about to say. Wow.
They get juiced, especially when you catch one. Like when you catch one,
I barely even get to see the first one. I definitely got to see this one.
Oh, hopefully it's a little bit bigger. It's not. Same squeaker town. There we go. First camera-worthy one. Still very, very small though. He's probably like 3-4 years old.
Holy cow!
Oh. You in the trolling motor, bro?
Am I? It looked like a fish.
No, yeah, don't do anything.
No, I am.
Oh, shit.
I thought that was like a big fish or something. No good.
No bueno. I don't know what happened. That's definitely not a fish on there. Just stay still. Yeah, you can also switch sides too if you're nervous. I'm nervous. I haven't got lines stuck in the trolling motor in a few years. I've got my fly line stuck in it like instantly and I stop the button or hit the button, but I only have the button here, so I'll hit it. And that thing goes to sleep and then I can't unactivate it fast enough. I thought you were salmon because the salmon will do that. They'll go wah, 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 wah.
Yeah.
Ah, you're killing me, man. All right, rod tip close to the water. Put your rod tip actually in the water. That'll teach you. Do it like my 4-year-old. Catch him. Get him. Take your time. I'm right in the middle of a uni knot, so shit. Bring him over here. Oh, it's the smallest one I've ever seen.
At least I got one. I finally got one.
All right.
All right.
I don't want to show the camera, but I will since it's your first one. Mission accomplished, folks. Only took a couple hours. All right, show the camera. If you want a picture, let me know.
All right. all right. I don't need a picture with the tiniest one.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it anyway, just because I'm
Whoa.
already up here.
Yeah.
Good.
Smile is just as
Yeah.
big on my face. This is hard for a 48. Yeah. I wouldn't know nothing because like I've never even been on a guy's site.
Yeah.
But, you know, I would fucking pay to do this.
I'm gonna grab the net. This is a bigger fish. Grab the net. Grab the net. Grab the net.
Holy cow. Nice.
Or he's foul hooked, but I don't think he is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a freaking decent one there, dude.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Good job, man.
All right,
That's awesome.
That's probably my new biggest one for this lake.
Yeah.
We have like 2 minutes before we're gonna leave, folks. 2 minutes. All right,
You wanna know why? It's because you're fishing.
super fat 24, guys. Last fish of the day. Beauty, beauty, beauty. And the Winnipesaukee, guys. Winnipesaukee, that's all messed up now from that guy's teeth, but